Fasten your seatbelts to witness a race in a frozen wonderland. This is Harbin's Ice Dragon Boat Race, where dragon boats meet ice, and the battle becomes legendary. Dragon boat racing has been a part of traditional watercraft activities for around 2,000 years, and Harbin's Ice Dragon Boat Race is no exception. Every winter, the city transforms into a frozen paradise, but the real thrill lies on the icy racetrack. Despite the extreme cold and strong winds over the Songhua River, this event attracts both thrill-seeking tourists and passionate locals. In a 12-person ice dragon boat, there are 10 paddlers, a drummer, and a helmsman. The skates at the bottom of the boat allow them to glide faster across the icy surface. Competitors use metal paddles to stab the ice, propelling their dragon boats across a 200-meter track. The race is a stunning display of team spirit and sportsmanship. Harbin's Ice Dragon Boat Race proves that the cold can't beat the heat of competition. But here's the best part. It's not just for the locals. Tourists from all over the world are welcome to form teams and join the adrenaline-pumping thrill. How many of you would love to experience this icy, heart-racing adventure in real life?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fascinating content.